How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing or missing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing up or if the icon is actually missing. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now when you open up Facebook, you're normally going to be able to see the marketplace icon, which looks like a house icon from the top right, and then here you'll be able to search and shop for some of the products and all of the products that are available on marketplace. And if you're not being able to find this option, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now if you're not being able to access it from here, then you can try going into the menu page, and here as well you'll be able to find the option called marketplace. If you don't find it, you might want to scroll to the see more section, and here you'll be able to see more options. From here then you would be able to access marketplace. But if the marketplace option is still not available in that region for you as well, there are a couple of things that you can do. This could be happening due to an outdated version of Facebook. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to long press on the Facebook app icon, then tap on the I button here. Once you tap on the I button, we're going to go to storage, clear cache, and also clear the data. Keep in mind that clearing the data will log you out of your account, as it is basically going to reset the application. Now once you've done that, open up your Play Store, and then in the search box you just want to type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook, check whether or not Facebook app has an update available. As you can see, if it does, just tap on the update button and then update it to the latest version. What updating does is it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the application. And that's all it takes to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing or missing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.